In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove an admin team member from Wrike. We'll walk through this slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. Before you start, make sure you're logged into your Wrike account with admin permissions, because only admins can remove other admins from the account. First, look at the top left area of your Wrike workspace. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your initials or a small avatar. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu that gives you access to different personal and account settings. From that menu, you'll want to choose the option labeled Settings. Click on Settings to open your account settings page. This is where you manage things like users, groups, and other account level configurations, so it's the right place to manage admin team members. Once the settings page loads, look for the section labeled Users. This is usually listed along the left-hand side or along the top, depending on your Wrike layout. Click on Users. This will bring up a list of everyone who has access to your Wrike account, including regular users, external users, and admins. Take a moment here to find the specific admin team member you want to remove. You can scroll through the list, or if available, use the search bar to type in their name or email to locate them more quickly. It's important to double check that you've selected the correct person, because removing someone will affect their access to your projects and tasks. Once you've found the right admin in the list, look for a checkbox next to their name. Click on this checkbox to select that user. If you accidentally select the wrong person, just uncheck the box and choose the correct one. After you've checked the right user, look for an option that says Delete from Account. This might appear above the user list or as an action button once a user is selected. Click on Delete from Account to start the removal process. Wrike may prompt you to confirm this action. Review the confirmation message carefully to ensure you're removing the correct admin. When you're sure, confirm the deletion.